So we're about to go to our room, and we're on the 9th floor again. So again, guys, we requested to be this high, and we requested a view of Epic Universe. So we're gonna see exactly what we got. So check out the hallway, guys. What a difference from Stella Nova, honestly. Like already you can see the difference even in the hallway. So this is really neat. I think it's cute. So we're room 9054. There we go.
Like the first rooms from the other bed.
All right. So like Stella Nova, when you come in, there is the full-length mirror, the joining door, which, okay. See, this is why I always check just to make sure, because it was unlocked. Okay, so we have the closet here, which we have all our stuff in the car. Same closet, which is good. I mean, because the closet, honestly, it has a lot of space. So, and I'm actually gonna turn on the lights because it's a little dark. So again, sink with the automatic lights. And then you have your blow dryer. It's a little different. I don't see extra, okay. I take that back. I do see extra toilet paper, but I don't see extra tissues, so. But here are the towels, the tissues here. Here's the sink. Yes, great water pressure. You have your facial soap here. And then let's head in the bathroom. So, okay, so the sensors are off in here, which is interesting. All right. The standard toilet. There's the extra. Okay, so in Stella Nova, they had this inside in the countertop of the sink. It's in here now. Walk-in shower. And then you have your towel racks here. You have two more behind the door. And, okay, so this is kind of confusing because we just stayed at Stella Nova, so everything was like the opposite of what it is now. So here's the shower. The bath soap is actually there. I kind of don't want to walk in here and put my feet in the shower because it kind of grosses me out. And then you have this little bar right here for shaving. One of these doors opens. Oh, and I almost forgot. There's the shampoo and conditioner. So it seems to be, so the bottle is different, but the smell seems to be the same one, the Cosmic Ember. I think it's the exact same one as the other one at Stella Nova. All right. And here's that AC. We have almost exactly the same thing. So this is a light. And I had it right the first time. So the button's over here. So you have your little light there. The coffee maker, which I've already had this coffee, guys. It's actually really good. We've got decaf. We've got regular. We've got the mini fridge here, which is, I don't think it's on, but I don't think I have anything to put in there. You have the ice bucket, the sofa here, and here are the beds. So, okay, this is really, really cool. The artwork in here, definitely different. Okay, definitely different. So Edwin turned on the lights for us so we can see. And this is what I was talking about in the last video, guys, that there's a pretty good amount of space here. So if you get up in the middle of the night like I do, there's space enough for you to walk through here, or you can just go through the middle. And then we have the standard little, I was going to say gaveta because my Spanglish is just coming out. Your drawer here with the standard Bible. You have your alarm clock, which also has a USB port and USB-C. With the light, here's the second bed. We have the sofa here. And then right here we have the same thing as in Stella Nova. We have all the plugs, all the chargers. And then the same thing, the rundown, which explains everything from laundry to when they clean, checkout time, ordering in, everything. You have this. This I didn't see, actually, over there at Stella Nova. I didn't see the pen and the paper, so this is interesting. Not sure if it's an opening day thing or And then one of my favorite things, of course, like from the other video, I love this little table. And then the moment of truth. So we did ask for the highest floor, like I mentioned, and a view of Epic Universe. So yeah, that is awesome. So it's not obviously like direct, like over there at Stella Nova, but you can see a lot from here. So I could see more of the Isle of Berk on the other side and Stardust Racers, but on this side, I can actually see way more of Helios, Super Nintendo World, and I can see way more of Dark Universe on this side. I can actually see the Curse of the Werewolf roller coaster going on right now, actually, as we speak. So I couldn't see that from the other side. So this is really cool because now I get a whole different view, which I'm super excited about. I can see a lot more from here. So I'm super happy with this. And once again, shout out to Universal because they really are, you know, they're out here making people's day. You know what I mean? And they don't have to do these things. It's a crazy opening day. There's a lot of people. You know, I know that they're working hard and everything, and they're trying to make everyone happy. But you know, they go out of their way to give us these requests that we're asking, and I couldn't be more grateful. But yeah, I mean, this is the Terra Nova room. Again, I think that these rooms have plenty of space. I know everybody's different. I guess it depends also if you're traveling with more than 2 people. We were 3 people last week at Stella Nova, but it was still enough space. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you want to see the rest of our staycation here at Terra Luna, it's actually going to be uploaded tomorrow. So we can't upload that today because it's going to be a lot and we're still missing some content for tonight. We're missing what we're going to have for dinner and breakfast tomorrow, but it will be available to watch tomorrow. But today it's just a room tour. Stay tuned. Keep an eye on our Instagram, because I do upload a lot of little short things or pictures or maybe pictures of food. I will upload it on Instagram. But if not, we'll see you in the next vlog like always.